A Buxus or common box is a large bushy evergreen shrub that can grow between 4 to 8 metres in height and width and has a wide range of uses. It can be a small tree used on a balcony or used as a patio plant. It is more commonly used though for hedging, and you will often see it clipped and trimmed into different decorative shapes. It is vigorous, grows quickly and has small rounded glossy dark leaves, although new growth is a much lighter green or a yellow shade. I bought 6 of these a year ago for $9.99 in small pots measuring 6 cm by 6 cm, and they have grown so quickly. Initially I transplanted them out into larger pots to encourage growth, and within no time I moved them out into their final location as a border to my garden. They are currently measuring at 50 cm in height by 30 cm in width, with still new growth on them, and we are still well into November. I think this is due to the regular watering I give to the roots. They can reach between 4 to 8 metres in height and width, but it will take many years to achieve this. They like partial shade and well-drained soil, but they are not fussy. It has a hardiness rating of H6, which is very good, meaning that it is hardy in all of the UK and in Northern Europe, handling minimum temperature ranges of -20 to -15 degrees C. These have grown so fast and look super healthy regardless of the time of year. So if you want a hardy evergreen that grows quickly to create a border or work as a hedge, then a Buxus or common box is worth considering.